Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are excited to watch me make some clear gloss for you today. This is a big batch of clear gloss and you can see how amazing it is when it clears up. Clear gloss, if you guys don't know, is kind of like my signature slime from my shop. It's a super thick, crystal clear slime. So let's just jump right into the video. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. We can get this video to 1,000 likes in 48 hours. I will be giving a few winners some clear gloss slime from my slime shop. All you have to do is hit the like button, be subscribed to my channel, and turn on notifications. Comment hashtag slime I did it so I know you entered the giveaway. The first thing that you need to do in making clear gloss is mix the activator. So for clear gloss, you're going to use a little stronger activator than normal. So for 1 cup of warm water, you're going to do about 1 teaspoon and 1/4 of borax powder. So you want to dissolve that fully into the warm water, and then you can pour it into a container like I'm doing here, or you can just pour it straight from your bowl. You can do up to 1.5 teaspoons of borax powder, but I would say that's for more experienced slime makers because it does make your slime super tough really fast. So 1.25 teaspoons should be fine. The only glue that I use for my clear gloss slime is Elmer's quart size. Yes, it has to be the quart size. So here you see me adding about 1 cup of Elmer's quart size glue to my bowl. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite method foam soap. The signature scent for clear gloss is this Sweetwater scent. Of course, you can use any clear-based foam soap from the Method line. You could probably use another foam soap if you like too. The main thing is it has to be clear. If it's not clear, your slime won't be clear. So once you have the soap mixed in, you can go in with your activator. You just want to add a little bit at a time until your slime comes together. Now, once clear gloss is fully activated, it will be super tough and not stretchy at all. Because we're making a super thick slime, the trick is that we're adding no water. The only water that's coming into the slime is from the activator, and that's why we make a stronger activator for this slime, so that you have to add less of it to your slime. You can do many variations of clear gloss slime. If you would like it to be a little less thick, a little more stretchy, you could always use a weaker activator. You could do 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water, and it will still turn out amazing. It won't be as thick as the original recipe, but it still will be considered a thick slime, and you will still get that amazing clarity that you guys are all wanting. So this is the texture you want your slime to be after activating. You can see it's even a little crunchy, not that stretchy. This is just the perfect consistency. Now comes the hard part. You want to put your slime in a container and you just want it to rest. This is where all the magic happens, you guys. You just want to let it sit. For this size slime, which is about 8 ounces, it's gonna take probably a week, maybe longer, maybe a little faster. It just depends on the weather. The warmer it is where you are, usually the faster it clears up and softens. This is not fully softened at this point, but you can see the clarity is nice. But I'm just gonna go ahead for the purposes of this video and show it to you anyways. But you can see the thickness is there. I love how it just kind of plops out of the container. You don't need a slime jar. You can use a Rubbermaid container or just Tupperware that you have. My favorite slime jars right now are actually slime jars by Parkway. If you want to go check them out, they have those nice low profile clearish containers with the clear tops, which I'm just in love with. But yeah, you see how thick this is. Clear gloss does deactivate over time, but it takes a long time for it to deactivate, which is nice. The nice thing about clear gloss is it's so thick, it's not known to be a sticky slime, so you have tons of playing time before you have to reactivate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Remember the likes. I would love to give you guys some free clear gloss from my slime shop. That's it. I will see you in my next slime tutorial. Love you guys. Bye!